Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss one more practical problem today. Practical problem. Come on, right? Find characteristic polynomial. Come on, practical number 20. Practical number 20. Find characteristic polynomial. Find characteristic polynomial. Find characteristic polynomial and real eigenvalues. Real eigenvalues of find characteristic polynomial and real eigenvalues of 4 0 minus 1. This is first bit, okay? 4 0 minus 1, 0 4 minus 1, 1 0 2, 1 0 2, 4 0 minus 1, 1 0 4 minus 1, 1 0 2, and one more bit is there, b minus 1 0 2 3 1 0 0 1 2. Come on, right? Find characteristic polynomial and real values of a equal to 4 0 minus 1. First row is 4 0 minus 1. Second row 0 4 minus 1, 1 0 2. Third row 1 0 2, and one more bit is there, b bit, minus 1 0 2, 3 1 0 0 1 2, 0 1 2. Come on, right? Solution. Given a equal to, come on, right? Given a equal to, I wrote a. What is a? I wrote given matrix A is equal. Come on. First we will find the characteristic polynomial, or directly I will find characteristic equation. Okay. Come on, right. The characteristic equation is the characteristic polynomial means equal to 0 we will not write, and equation means we have to make it equal to 0. That is one difference. So I will write directly the characteristic polynomial. The characteristic equation is a minus lambda I equal to 0. The characteristic equation is a minus lambda I equal to 0 implies, come on, substitute a minus lambda I equal to 0. Come on, substitute a first. 4 0 minus 1, 0 4 minus 1, 1 0 2. 4 0 minus 1, 0 4 minus 1, 1 0 2, minus lambda times of nothing but lambda 0 0, 0 lambda 0, 0 0 lambda, modulus equal to 0. Once again write matrix A minus lambda times of 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, or simply you will get lambda 0 0, 0 lambda 0, 0 0 lambda. And now come on, we will do subtraction for this matrices first. Subtractions. First row, first element 4 minus lambda. Next 0 minus 0 0, minus 1 minus 0 minus lambda. Second row 0 minus 0 0, 4 minus lambda. I am doing subtraction for corresponding elements. Next we have minus 1 minus 0 minus 1. Third row 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 0, 0, and one more we have 2 minus lambda. Determinant equal to 0. So come on. 4 minus lambda. 4 minus lambda. Next we have 0 minus 0, 0. Minus 1, 0. Minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1 minus 0. Minus 1. Minus 1. Next 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus lambda. Minus 1 minus 0, minus lambda. Minus 1 minus 0, minus 1. Next third row, simply getting 1, 0, 2 minus lambda we are getting. Now we have to find determinant for this one. Already we know the process, come on do it. 4 minus lambda times 4 minus lambda times, leave this column and leave this row, AD minus BC. 4 minus lambda times 2 minus lambda, AD minus 0 into anything is 0. So first element is over. 4 minus lambda times AD minus BC. Next we have 0 is there. Minus 0, actually we have minus second element, but we have here 0 is there. So obviously it becomes 0 only, because 0 into AD minus BC, 0 only. Plus, obviously we have here minus 1 is there. Minus 1 into, again AD minus BC. First row and third column leave it, simply getting 0 into 0, 0, minus of 1 times of 4 minus lambda. So very simple, 4 minus lambda times 4 minus lambda, 2 minus lambda, minus 0, 0 into anything, 0 will get. Next last element is minus 1, minus 1 into 0 into 0, 0, minus 1 time of 4 minus lambda, equal to 0. Equal to 0. So simply getting 4 minus lambda into 4 to the 8 minus 4 lambda minus 2 lambda plus lambda square minus, here we have 1, minus into minus plus 4 minus lambda equal to 0. Because we have one single element is there here, so I multiplied here. Minus into minus plus 1 1 is 1, 1 into 4 minus lambda is 4 minus lambda. Implies, simplify it. First, okay, I will simplify it. 4 minus lambda, 8, okay, right. Now, ascending order, lambda square, minus 6 lambda plus 8, plus 4 minus lambda equal to 0. For multiply 4 times first, 4 into 4 lambda square, minus 6 4 is 24 lambda, plus 4 is 32, and again minus lambda square, plus 6 lambda minus 8 lambda, and remaining is plus 4 minus lambda equal to 0. Come on, do multiplication once yourself so that you can understand. 4 lambda square minus 24 lambda plus 32 minus lambda square plus 6 lambda minus 8 lambda plus 4 minus lambda equal to 0. Simply we get the polynomial as, this is lambda cube, no? Yes, you will get the polynomial as, come on, right, minus lambda cube I think now you can see properly. Good. Now here see, minus lambda cube, and again here 4 lambda square. Simply we have only 4 lambda square is there. So 4 lambda square minus lambda cube minus plus 6 lambda square. So minus lambda cube, 6 lambda square plus 4 lambda square plus 10 lambda square minus 24 lambda minus 25 lambda, and again minus 8 lambda is there, minus 33 lambda. Constants 32 plus 4, 36 equal to 0. Once see the characteristic equation is minus lambda cube plus 10 lambda square minus 33 lambda plus 36 is equal to 0. We have to find 3 roots, we have to find it. 3 roots we have to find. I will assume lambda is equal to 1 first. Lambda is equal to 1 implies minus 1 plus 10 minus 33 plus 36. We are not getting equal to 0, we are not getting. Minus 1 plus 10 minus 33. 46 minus 34, we are not getting 0. Assume lambda equal to 2 cube minus 8, 40 minus 66 plus 36, 14, and here also you are not getting equal to 0. Yes, you are not getting equal to 0. Lambda equal to 3 minus 27, 9 tens are 90 minus 99 plus 36. We are getting 90 plus 36 is 126, and this is also minus 126 is equal to 0. Got it. So lambda is equal to 3. I got one root. Lambda is equal to 3. One copy it. You got a polynomial of degree 3. You got a polynomial of degree 3. I wrote. So simply we have to go for trial and error method. I did lambda equal to 1, lambda equal to, lambda equal to 3 is satisfied. I wrote the lambda equal to 3, I got lambda is equal to 3 is the root. 3 is one of the root we got. Now I will go for synthetic method. Come on, continue. Lambda is equal to 3 is the root. Now come on. Synthetic method. Polynomial here, no? Minus 1. Minus 1 lambda cube, no? Minus 1 plus 10 lambda square minus 33, 36. I wrote the just coefficients of the degree 3. I wrote the coefficients of degree 3. Minus 1, 10, minus 33, 36. Now we have already root is there, lambda equal to 3 is there, and keep it here 0. Lambda is equal to 3 is one of the root. Lambda is equal to 3 is one of the root. Now come on, minus 1 minus 0 minus 1, 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Add these values, 10 minus 3, 7, 3 times of 7, 21, 2, 1, minus 11, minus 12, 12 3 is 36, minus 36. So once here see, just we wrote the coefficients, lambda is equal to 3 is the root, I wrote 3. Always you have to write 0 here and you have to add it. Vertically you have to add it, and for remainder what you got you have to multiply for the 3, we have to multiply it. So add it, minus 1, multiply it, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, again add it, 7, 7 into 3, 21, minus 33 plus 21, minus 12, again multiply with 3, 12 3 is 36 with minus sign, minus 36. Now we can write the equation of degree 2, because degree 3 one root is over, so we have to write from degree 2. Minus lambda square plus 7 lambda minus 12 equal to 0, or I can write lambda square minus 7 lambda plus 12 equal to 0. 3 4 is 12, minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. So lambda square minus 3 lambda minus 4 lambda plus 12 equal to 0. Take lambda common, lambda minus 3, take minus 4 common, lambda minus 3 equal to 0. So lambda minus 3 times of lambda times lambda minus 4 equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 3 comma 4. 2 roots we got now. Already we have one root, one more is there, lambda equal to 3. Therefore the characteristic roots are IN roots, you can say same, both are same only. The characteristic roots are 3, 3, 4. The characteristic roots are 3, 3 and 4. 3, 3 and 4. Very simple. We got a characteristic equation we got of degree 3. We got a characteristic equation of degree 3. Simply we have to solve it. Characteristic equation of degree 3, I have to solve it. I have to find 3 roots I have to find. So obviously 1 and 2 are failed. 3 is satisfied. I solve by synthetic method. So I got lambda is equal to 3 comma 3 comma and 4. That's all. Let's come and copy it. Yes, one more bit is there, B bit, that will do. Okay, let's come on. Take screenshot and you can copy it. Okay. Yes, now continue. B bit. Practical 20 we are doing, right? Yes. B bit. Come on, right? Given A equal to -1 0 2, A equal to -1 0 2, 3 1 0 3 1 0 0 1 2. We have to find characteristic equation and also we have to find the real roots. We have to find real roots. Right, solution. The characteristic polynomial is, or characteristic equation I'll write directly. Okay, come right. The characteristic equation is A minus lambda I equal to 0. The characteristic equation is A minus lambda I equal to 0. Come right. Write matrix A first. -1 0 2, 3 1 0 0 1 2 minus lambda times of identity matrix, lambda times of 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So obviously we get lambda 0 0 0 lambda 0 0 0 lambda. For this matrix we have to find determinant. Come right. A -1 0 2, 3 1 0 0 1 2 minus lambda times of, so obviously multiply my identity matrix, so I got lambda 0 0 0 lambda 0 0 0 lambda. Simplify it. -1 minus lambda, -1 minus lambda, 0 minus 0 0, 2 minus 0 2. Now second row, 3 minus 0 3, 1 minus lambda, 0 minus 0 0. Next third row, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 1, and again we have one more is there, 2 minus lambda. This determinant equal to 0. Let's come and copy it. -1 minus lambda 0 2 0 2, 3 1 minus lambda 0 0 1 2 minus lambda. Come on, find the roots. Sorry, determinant we have to find. -1 minus lambda, -1 minus lambda, -1 minus lambda times of AD minus BC. Leave this column and leave this row. 1 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda minus 0. Once here seeing -1 minus lambda, leave this column and leave this row. 1 minus lambda times 2 minus lambda minus 0. minus second element already we have 0, 0 anything becomes 0 only, plus 2 times of again leave this row and leave this column, simply getting 3 1s are 3 minus 0 and anything becomes 0 1 equal to 0. Come on, simplify it. Minus 1 minus lambda times 1 2 is 2 minus lambda minus 2 lambda plus lambda square 2 3 is 6 is equal to 0. So once here see minus 1 minus lambda into 1 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda AD minus BC, I have that one, plus 2 times of 3, 2 3 is 6. Simplify it. Minus 1 minus lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Come on, copy it. Still we have to simplify it. I'll do here. Copy this part now. Matrix A, the characteristic equation A minus lambda equal to 0. So multiply minus 1 minus lambda square plus 3 lambda minus 2. We have to multiply the minus lambda cube plus 3 lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 6 is equal to 0. Simply we getting minus lambda cube 3 lambda square minus lambda square plus 2 lambda square 3 lambda minus 2 lambda plus lambda plus 4 equal to 0. Minus lambda cube plus 2 lambda square plus lambda plus 4 equal to 0. I make it positive. Degree 3 first term. Lambda square minus 2 lambda square multiple minus 1 minus 4 lambda minus 4 equal to 0. For this polynomial we have to find the roots. Come on, try once. Lambda is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 4 not equal to 0. Lambda equal to 8 minus 4 to 8 minus 2 minus 4 not equal to 0. Lambda equal to minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 4 not equal to 0. Come on, try like this. Lambda equal to 1, lambda 2 equal to 3, minus 1 minus 2 like that. Come on, try once. So very simple. We have the determinant of 3 by 3 matrices. Determinant of 3 by 3 matrices, obviously we get a polynomial of degree 3. Polynomial of degree 3. So once here see minus 1 minus lambda 0 to this matrix we have. First minus 1 minus lambda into AD minus BC. Leave this column and leave this row. 1 minus lambda times of 2 minus lambda minus 1 into 0, 0. I wrote. Next minus second element into minus 0 into 0, 0 only. No need to do remaining part because AD minus 0 into anything becomes 0. Plus 2 into, again 2 into, leave this row and leave this column, simply 3 1s are 3, minus 0 into anything becomes 0 only. So 3 we got. Minus 1 minus lambda, multiply 1 here with this one, 1 2 is 2, minus lambda, minus 2 lambda, minus into minus plus lambda square, 0, 2 3 is 6. The whole quantity I have to multiply to minus 1 and minus lambda. First I multiply minus 1, so obviously all this becomes with opposite sign because minus 1 is multiplying, and next multiply to minus lambda plus 6. We got a polynomial of degree 3. Polynomial of degree 3. I tried number of times but I am not getting any roots, therefore I can say there is no in roots. There is no real roots. That's all. We are finding the roots but we are not getting any roots, we are not getting. So simply we can say there is no real roots. That's all. So that practical problem 20 is over. Practical 20 is over. And in the next class we will discuss theorem. Okay, it's enough for today. Tomorrow we'll continue. Thank you. That's all. The characteristic equation, characteristic roots, characteristic polynomial topic is over. In the next class we'll discuss about similar matrices. Okay, thank you.